Hi everyone. You've already made a smart choice. With Atlassian Jira Service Management, you picked a leader in the Forrester Wave for ITSM and Enterprise Service Management. You have the right tool for your ITSM journey. But even with great tools, some critical questions remain hard to answer. How mature are our processes? Where are the hidden bottlenecks in our workflows? Are we compliant with ISO 20000, FitSM, or ITIL? And where should we improve next to get the best return on investment? Your ITSM tools have all your process data, but the answers you need stay frustratingly out of reach. As companies scale, informal approaches break down. Your experts burn out fighting the same fires daily. Employees lose requests in an IT black hole with no visibility. And updates break unexpected things, halting business operations. In larger enterprises, complexity multiplies. Perfect documentation that doesn't match messy reality. Change management that roadblocks agile delivery. Auditors demanding proof of compliance you can't easily provide. And you're paying premium prices while using only a fraction of your platform's capability. The old ways can't solve these problems. Native reports miss maturity. Spreadsheets are guesswork. Consultants deliver stale snapshots. There is a better way. Introducing ITSM Navigator for Atlassian Jira Service Management, a strategic decision support app for your journey to ITSM excellence. First, ITSM Navigator objectively measures your ITSM processes against ISO 20000 and FitSM standards using ISO-compliant methodology. It introduces the ITSM capability level, the only scoring approach that combines both process maturity and process performance. Process maturity shows how well your processes are defined and managed. Process performance reveals how well they execute operationally. Together, they give you the complete picture. You'll know exactly where you stand against key standards. And our hybrid assessment gives you the best of both worlds. The speed of automated assessment combined with the depth and accuracy of manual assessment. You can view maturity scores for every process at a glance. Then, you can drill directly into the specific processes that need your attention. As you make changes, you can create new assessments to track your progress over time. Second, ITSM Navigator analyzes your process performance. Using powerful process mining, it analyzes your actual JSM workflow execution. This uncovers the hidden bottlenecks and rework loops that standard Jira reports just can't see. Your performance is scored across 4 key dimensions: conformance, throughput, cycle time, and quality. Uncover hidden process waste and operational inefficiencies by visualizing bottlenecks, reworks, and loops. Make process audits effortless with real-time process compliance visibility. Identify your fastest performing workflows and implement data-driven best practices across the entire organization. And take data-driven process optimization decisions instantly, instead of waiting months. Third, we provide AI-powered recommendations. ITSM Navigator doesn't just show you problems. It automatically generates a prioritized roadmap for improvement, complete with step-by-step JSM-specific guidance. You get an action plan that's prioritized by impact, effort, and urgency, so you can focus only on what matters most. And fourth, ITSM Navigator is enterprise-ready. It is built on the secure Atlassian Forge platform, offering data residency support and ISO-compliant controls. It features built-in security, including ISO 27001, with SOC2 and cloud-fortified status in process. Ready to transform your ITSM journey? Book your free, customized demo now. See ITSM Navigator in action with your own Jira Service Management data.